Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So here is the flip drive mechanism that was causing me such trouble before with this 1541. And it's a funny thing. It's a very simple thing, and yet there are many pieces. For example, there's this flippy thing, and there's this fastener collar thing. There's this plastic thing that goes through this hole. I think that might have been part of what was the trouble. It like stabilizes everything. And then all of this goes into here. And when you, maybe is it stable now? That's a good question. Anyway, when you flip the door, it puts it down. Is it stable? Well, it does seem to be. I'm still not sure exactly. Like, I just kind of push things around. See, one thing that can happen is if this little bar here, which slides back and forth, if it slides out of position, it can indeed slide right out of position and do nothing. But this whole thing before was very strange. I think perhaps what had happened is that this brown piece here had slid out. Everything sort of works together and it all stabilizes things together. And because I have it working, I'm in no hurry to try and make it undo what it was doing. And I don't think there's anything else required. I have run this thing through the torture testing like 50 times. It's never failed. And so I am pleased. Anyway, that is the door closing mechanism on a Commodore 1541 with the Newtronics Company Limited drive, which I like this better than the pop down, but obviously there can be issues. But also more often than with the other drives, the read-write heads just go bad on these drives, and when they go bad, then you're in serious trouble. Serious trouble. Anyway, so there is a mechanism, and this one seems to be fine. The drive seems to be fine. The board seems to be fine. Everything seems to be just fine, which is much easier to deal with than all I had to do to get the Commodore 64 working, which was, if I remember rightly, and I do, the PLA chip was bad. The 7701 chip, which is a support chip for the Vic-20 chip, was bad, and there was a bad RAM chip. So I think what I'm going to do now is gather things together. Right now I have this 1541 connected to another 64. I don't have the monitor turned on, so I can't really see, but I think I loaded the directory. So I think what I will do now is grab the 64 that I just fixed, that this was paired with, and make sure that they work well together, and then I will deem these two both to be happy and healthy. So thank you for coming, and I'm tempted to do a time-lapse thing here of the head moving. Perhaps I will. Anyway, thanks. We'll see you again soon. I hope you enjoyed your quick look inside a 1541 disk drive made by Commodore. Not a fast disk drive, but pretty reliable. David Bradley signing off. Bye for now.